Closing arguments just wrapped up for the case of a father of a child who prosecutors say was beaten to death by her stepmom.
And this is the second time the father, Clodaire Barros, has been tried for his 8-year-old daughter's death. 2 weeks ago, a judge declared a mistrial. The jury simply could not reach a verdict. Ariana Manise joins us live from the Gwinnett County Courthouse with more on this. Ariana, the case now in the hands of the jury.
That's right, and they've had this case and they've been deliberating over the last 30 minutes, and they must decide whether to convict Clodaire Barros of child cruelty for the death of his daughter, Syra. Now, Syra's stepmother, Barros' wife, Natalia, she is accused of beating the 8-year-old to death with a rolling pin back in January. Now, the attorney for Barros, they are saying that he worked as a truck driver and he was not home for the majority of the week. In closing arguments, his attorney says that he had never witnessed his wife be abusive out of anger. The 8-year-old was under the care of the stepmother and was homeschooled at the time of the incident. It was stated that she was pulled out of school for behavioral issues, and Clodaire was on the road driving his truck when he got a call from the stepmother saying, quote, that she was gone and the stepmother was threatening suicide. Now, prosecutors are arguing that the father knew the stepmother had beat Syra. The state says that there is evidence that the stepmother was physically abusive before, such as scars, reports from DFACS that were submitted by teachers, but still left the daughter in the stepmother's care. And he runs his household, and he should have known what was happening to his 8-year-old daughter. The 8-year-old daughter was living in Africa with her biological mother, but the father went over and got her and brought her over to America. Now, the stepmother, she has not been tried. She is facing separate charges. She's facing charges of felony murder as well as child cruelty. Now, the jury is still deliberating, and we're standing by waiting for a verdict. As this story develops, we'll be sure to bring you those updates. Reporting live from the Gwinnett County Courthouse, I'm Ariana Manise for 11 Alive. Back to you.
Ariana, thank you for watching this. This is a case we've been following closely since the beginning. You'll find our complete coverage on 11alive.com.